Good evening. Welcome to Fluttering in the Spirit Tarot. Today is Sunday, February 8th, 2026. This is a reading for the sign of Gemini. Please do take what fits here and leave the rest. Please subscribe, follow, and like this video. We will go ahead and see what's in your energy today, Gemini. Spirits, what is the message today for the sign of Gemini? Okay, so we have if you are offered a seat on a rocket ship, don't ask what seat, just get on. And that quote is from Sheryl Sandberg. Okay. We have midlife crisis. We are all broken. That's how the light gets in. And that's from Hemingway. And then we have Five of Cups in reverse. Don't cry over spilt milk. And that is a traditional quote. We also have Put Yourself First. I'm not ready to commit, and that's in reverse. And we have a ship is always safest at shore, but that's not what it's built for, Albert Einstein. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to clarify these cards. Let's go ahead and shuffle. Split the deck. Spirit, why is midlife crisis here? We have the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. We have the Tower in reverse. So there's been a sudden change. This may be something that was necessary, potentially. May turn out to be more of a blessing in disguise with that Tower coming out in reverse. We also have the Eight of Pentacles, which can be feeling burnt out and just overworked in the situation. Maybe a bit careless and unfocused because of it. This could make you feel like you have a lack of direction. You may also feel kind of confined or just imprisoned in this feeling of being exhausted. And then we have the Five of Cups here in reverse. Spirit, why is the Five of Cups in reverse? There's definitely been some conflicts. With the World coming out in reverse, actually it's not reverse, it's upright. So don't cry over spilt milk. And with the Five of Cups being in reverse, that would be a feeling of moving on, seeing the silver lining in the situation, realizing you've completed a cycle. This could have to do with your employment, potentially, or some kind of change, potentially, at your job. But it could be anything else that you're overworking yourself in regards to. Put yourself first. Why is this card here? We have the Death card, which is Scorpio, an ending, a change, transformation, transitioning. What is the Death card? We have the Nine of Cups in reverse. So the Nine of Cups in reverse can be selfishness, but it's telling you to put yourself first. Overindulging. The Nine of Cups in reverse can mean arrogance, greed, materialism. Finding fault in other people. Put yourself first and not worry about other people. We are all broken. That's how the light gets in. Realizing we all have faults. Spirit, tell me more. Why is I'm not ready to commit here in past energy? Strength, inner strength or courage. And then we have the Four of Wands in reverse. So with the Four of Wands being in reverse, that can be transitioning or change. Can be tension, resistance. But not feeling ready to commit. A ship is always safest at shore, but that's not what it's built for. Tell us more about this. Someone manipulating. Knight of Pentacles. Someone who's moving slowly. Taking a practical approach though. But manipulating, not very organized, misusing their power. They may be a bit tricky and trying to force a situation. So with this, I'm not ready to commit. I'm just putting all the cards and the meanings together. A sudden change, a tower moment, midlife crisis, saying I'm not able to commit at this time. Feeling overburdened and worked. We have the Five of Cups in reverse. As someone accepting and forgiving the situation and the conflict that was there before this. And closing out the cycle. Putting themselves first. Letting go of any selfishness. And being unwilling to commit here and manipulating the energy so much that somebody just stays in place and doesn't move. And just accepts the fact that someone's not taking steps to move the situation forward. If you're offered a seat on a rocket ship, don't ask what seat, just get on. And someone's not getting on. We are all broken. That's how the light gets in. Okay, let's go ahead and get a little more insight here and advice. Spirit, what is the message for Gemini? And we have Guardian. A guardian in your dream represents protection and guidance. either from a spiritual source or an inner power. The guardian symbolizes a force that is watching over you, ensuring your safety and guiding your journey. Dreaming of a guardian suggests that you're being supported on your path, and it's a reminder to trust the guidance and strength that is available to you during difficult moments. We'll go ahead and pull a couple advice cards here and then close the reading. Okay. Just making sure there's not any other flipped over. So we have real promise, release the chains of the past, and dance to the rhythm of possibility. Duality dance, seek balance amid the chaos and find harmony within yourself. And flames of passion. Let the flames of your passion light your way, but be mindful of the fires they may ignite in your journey. Alright, well, thank you for watching today, Gemini. Till next time. And please do subscribe, follow, and like this video.